Albert Einstein's life story is a captivating tale of scientific brilliance and humanism. Born in Ulm, Germany, on March 14, 1879, he showed an early aptitude for mathematics and physics, though he struggled in formal schooling due to his independent thinking. In 1905, often called his Annus Mirabilis, miracle year, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers. Among them, his theory of special relativity introduced concept that laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers and famously gave us the equation EEmc 2, which revealed the equivalence of mass and energy. In 1915, he unveiled his theory of general relativity, describing gravity as the warping of space-time by mass and energy. This theory was confirmed during a solar eclipse in 1919, solidifying his status as a scientific icon. Einstein's life was not confined to scientific pursuits. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his work on the photoelectric effect. He also became a vocal advocate for civil rights and peace, speaking out against nuclear weapons and becoming a co-signer of the Russell-Einstein Manifesto calling for nuclear disarmament. In 1933, fearing the rise of the Nazi regime, Einstein emigrated to the United States, where he took a position at Princeton University. He continued his scientific research and became a symbol of intellectual excellence and humanitarianism. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, but his legacy endures. His contributions to science and his commitment to the betterment of humanity make him a figure of enduring inspiration and admiration.
Please like and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates.